The evaporator AeroSwiss E2441A provides humidification of the air in the room and is especially distinguished by the following features. Easily fillable from the top. Automatic shutoff when the water level is too low. The fragrance container can be used with any essential oil. Quiet operation due to its function principle, which also results in a low power consumption. Thereby, the dry air is led through the moist evaporator mat and optimally humidified released back into the air of the room. Due to the self-regulating principle, the E2441A can be used year-round. Maintaining the optimal water quality is ensured by the newly developed ionic silver stick. The appliance is easy to operate. With only one touch, the E2441A can be set to either night or normal operation. Maintenance and cleaning is equally easy. The upper part can be separated from the base. The newly developed ionic silver stick, ISS for short, is positioned at the bottom of the base. It has to be replaced every season. The other components can be disassembled with just a few twists. The evaporator mat should not be washed or wrung out. Depending on the water hardness, the evaporator mat must be replaced every 2 to 3 months. To clean the unit, we recommend to exclusively use Calc-Off, which is especially composed for air humidifiers. Mix the decalcifying agent Calc-Off with clean and hot water. 1 pack per 1 liter. Remove the ISS prior to cleaning. Then pour the mixture into the base and let it take effect. Clean the non-water-bearing bottom part and its electronics, preferably by using a cleaning cloth. The microfiber cloth is the best option for cleaning other visible components. After a 1-hour application time, the base can now be cleaned and rinsed. After reassembly, the E2441A can be refilled with water. While doing this, watch, as always when refilling, the red marking for maximum water level. AeroSwiss E2441A, improving your quality of life.